So yesterday's decision to go for a walk in the city center was justified. And yeah, so today we will have rain. But so far, as you can see, yeah, it's basically, nice quantity of rain. I would much rather prefer that we don't have a rain, especially, when we have to walk, because this one is clearly demonstrating right now, gets rain in her ears. But yeah, I would much prefer if it would stop raining while we are outside. For those hour and a half, it can stop. Lizi, pridi greva. Lulamo, pridna. Pejmo, tukaj. Kameni. Joj. No gremo. In the middle of the road I had to entangle myself because as a dog walker you really miss the third arm. Security going for the night fault. And of course this one is now curious what is going on. Why are you driving where you not? You shouldn't be driving. Yeah, Liza has, let's say, quite a good sense of, let's say, wrongdoing. If someone is doing something that people usually aren't doing there, she will be very curious what is going on. Oh, you cannot see anything. Yeah. So on Saturdays their work schedule is from 9 a.m. until 6 a.m. and Friday is from 7 a.m. until 6 a.m. officially. A lot of the times, pools of water. So yeah. Pretty Liza Greva. Okay. There is a lull in the traffic, so we can move safely. You can see on the other side here, and especially here. Oh yeah. Yeah, today is quite it's more darker. Lizzie, ne. She spotted a doggo in front. Liza. Which means I will have to stop this video and start it with, Liza. Okay, she's not listening. Doing love. So yeah.